What if I told you there was a day in history when the Earth stopped moving? Not metaphorically, not spiritually. Ancient civilizations from different continents recorded the same impossible event. The day the sky froze for 3 hours. This is one of the strangest mysteries ever documented, and it goes back over 3,000 years. Our story begins in ancient Canaan around 1200 BC. A massive war was unfolding between the Israelites and a coalition of city-states. According to ancient texts, the battle seemed lost until something unbelievable happened. The writings claim the sun stopped in the middle of the sky, refusing to set, and the battle continued under daylight far longer than it should have been possible. But here's where it gets shocking. This wasn't the only record. Far away in China, ancient Zhou dynasty scribes recorded a long day where the sun remained above the horizon far longer than normal. Villagers panicked, believing heaven was sending a warning. In the Americas, Mayan and Aztec legends tell of a day where the sky froze and darkness arrived late. The Incas described a pause in the heavens during a great conflict. These civilizations had no contact with each other. No shared myths, no communication. But the story is the same. A day longer than any before or after. For centuries, people dismissed it as legend. Then modern science stepped in. Astronomers studying ancient eclipse paths found something strange. Around the time these records were written, the Earth's rotation seems to have experienced a sudden anomaly. A brief change, as if something slowed the planet by a fraction. Not enough to stop the Earth entirely, but enough to change the length of a day. Some scientists believe a massive asteroid may have passed unusually close to Earth, creating a gravitational drag that temporarily altered rotation. Others argue it was a volcanic event, powerful enough to distort atmospheric pressure and create the illusion of extended daylight. But there's one theory that stands out, and it's the scariest. A team of geophysicists found evidence of a global plasma storm around this time, a solar event so massive it could alter atmospheric optics worldwide, making the sun appear frozen in the sky. If that's true, then ancient people didn't imagine anything. They lived through a cosmic event powerful enough to affect half the planet. Now picture yourself there. Imagine fighting a battle expecting the sun to set, but it doesn't. Imagine looking up at the sky, terrified as daylight refuses to fade. No clocks, no science. Only fear, confusion, and the feeling that the world itself had stopped. For the Israelites, it was seen as a miracle. For the Chinese, a warning. For the Mayans, a rewriting of cosmic order. But the question remains. What could cause civilizations separated by oceans to record the exact same phenomenon? Was it a solar superstorm? A near-Earth object, or something else entirely? Something we still don't understand? And here's the most chilling part. If the plasma storm theory is correct, Earth is overdue for another one. The same type of event today could knock out satellites, shut down electricity, and plunge the modern world into chaos, all in minutes. The day the Earth stopped for 3 hours isn't just an ancient mystery. It might be a warning from history. A story the world forgot, but one we may experience again in our lifetime. Because sometimes the most unbelievable events aren't legends, they're clues. Clues that the universe has far more power and far more surprises than we're ready for.